Welcome back to my channel. Now we're gonna check this new rechargeable battery pack in charger station for batteries that should be used on the Xbox control, wireless control, game control, right? The pads. So I didn't try this yet, so hopefully this will work. But let's unbox this first. Just got tired of replacing batteries and decided to go for these rechargeable ones. So let's open and unbox this thing. First let's get, oops, everything came down. So you open this first. This is the charger itself. Try to not break much. Okay. So yeah, that's the charger. Nothing major here, right? Just a support, power, on and off switch, and that's it. It does come with the batteries, so I will look into. You can just get those batteries and plug in here. Just go one way. You can see there is a little notch and a notch over here. So this goes only single way. Let's get the rest. So I got 4 of those. Comes already together. So same principle. Notches on the right side. Contacts down. Notch aligned. Contacts down. Notch aligned. Okay. So I got. It's heavy, huh? Yeah. With the batteries, it gets a little heavier. It does come with the wire, so let me open that. And this is a USB-C. No, is it? Yeah. It seems to be a USB-C. Same size. Yeah. It's a USB-C cable, which is nice. That's the new standard anyway. So let me unhook this thing. Release the cable. Yeah. And so this goes to your charger. And the side, the USB-C side, goes to the back of the device. And in theory, you can just connect this and charge it. That's what I'm gonna do. Comes with some warranty card, 3-year support, 45-day return, 90-day replacement, and little user's guide, which don't need much, right? You can figure it out. That's it. Simple unboxing of this Xbox game control battery charger and batteries themselves. The batteries seem they are 1800 milliamps hour. Not sure if that's the real thing or just funny spec, but that's what it's written outside. And so hopefully with this I can get some hours of play without worry too much in purchasing batteries and replacing those batteries. Thanks for watching the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to get notifications so you can see any new video like this one when I upload them. Happy holidays, happy 2023. Come back anytime. Bye.